Hello, today I'm gonna be showing you how to get model and animations from Mixamo and import it into Godot. My way to do this is using a Python script. Let me demonstrate you. This is a Mixamo model with Mixamo animations. I've tried to do this for several days. I watched a couple of YouTube videos that showed me how to do this using Blender, but every time I failed. It just didn't work for me for some different reasons. So today I wanna show you my way of doing this that is working for me. First, we wanna go to Mixamo and search for a character that we like. I've selected this one. The preview actually is not working in my browser because it's Firefox and I think it's not supported. Whatever. We simply click download, choose with skin because we're downloading the model itself, and these parameters are fine. So we download it. Then we go to the animations tab and select everything that we need. For example, this one. Here we click download and choose without skin because we want only the animation. So after this, you'll have your character file and your animation files. One of the YouTube videos showed me this beautiful tool in which you can upload your character, upload your animations, and it almost worked for me. As you can see, the animations are imported as expected, but as you can see, the texture is completely messed up and I couldn't fix it. Actually, this tool is open sourced, and I thought that maybe, even if it's not maintained anymore by the original author, maybe there will be some forks or some pull requests that fix this issue. But it wasn't the case. So I decided to go to the ChatGPT and ask him to rewrite this code using Python. Because I thought that I didn't actually need the graphical interface, I just want this thing to work, and maybe it will work. Spoiler alert, it worked. So we have this script that is written completely by ChatGPT, and I didn't even read it because it just works. And this script uses this library that is called BPY that tells Blender what to do using Python. So to run this, you need to have Blender installed on your PC. To execute the script, you need to write this inside your console. I'm on Linux, so this is my terminal, but on Windows you can use, I think, cmd.exe or PowerShell maybe. I didn't test it, but you can test it if you want. The program that we are running is Blender, and we are giving him the script. The arguments to this script are similar to what we have seen in this tool. You provide the path to the character model, and you provide paths to the animation files. Also, you specify the file name of the result. So if we run it, it will take some time for Blender to process all this. So Blender quit, and the file is here, and we simply drag and drop it into the Godot. It will take some time, so I have to wait. Okay, it was successfully imported, and I can right click new inherited scene. And right here we have some animations. We can click here, manage animations, make it unique, And now we can even rename it stretch. I think the main advantage of using the script compared to using Blender is that you don't have to redo the same process every time with every model and every animation. But of course it requires some knowledge of how to use terminal. You can download my script using the link in the description. It will be in my GitHub repository. If you find this script helpful, please consider giving my repository a star. Thank you for watching. I hope this video will be helpful for someone.